This is integration of two technologies, mobile technology and community radio. And our focus was to return back the dropout students from the school. So let me start with, in fact, yeah, this project is Chala School Ku Jiba. It's in Odia, and translation part is Let Us Go to School. In fact, Radio Namaskar is the first community radio of Odisha, and we are focusing in different thematic thrust areas, and education is part of it. And basically we cover 4 blocks. They are Gov, Kakatpur, Astarang and Nimapada, all are coastal blocks in Puri district of Odisha. And this project is Chala School Ku Jiba. It aims to return back all the dropout students who they are staying in their families or they are working elsewhere to back to the school. And we have one dedicated mobile number, that's 9040904904, and basically we use it with green software. And before that I can say what is the issues behind it, why we started this project. That there is high rate of school dropouts, more than 40% in that locality, and there is lack of communication, lack of awareness among villagers, increased monopoly of school teachers and administration there. And there is so many opportunities with us that Radio Namaskar has 15 to 20 kilometers radius coverage, 84 listeners groups in different Gram Panchayats, active listeners mass promoted in each village, school in each village, and more than 90% family own mobile phone there. Okay, video is not working. Still, what was the process? Now we started broadcasting of a special radio program package of 30 minutes twice a week. Listeners inform us regarding the dropout students from their mobile phones to our dedicated mobile number through call and SMS. When they were calling to our mobile number, then they were getting an automated voice that if any child of your locality, of your village is out of school, please inform us, so that togetherly we'll send back that child or student to the school. And it was automated, it was recorded in our system, PC, and who they are sending SMS, it was noted in our office, and twice in a week we are broadcasting the voices and all the informations which was collected through SMS. Again, as per our database, as we are working intensively in that locality, we have database of PRI members, the officials, teachers, administrators, and the community leaders. So we send SMS to the mobile numbers of the village and PRI members, women self-help groups, sarpanch, ward members, teachers, community leaders, radio volunteers, etc., as available with us. And also we broadcast the recorded and SMS information through the radio episodes twice a week. We make live teleconferencing with informal listeners, local school teachers or headmasters, school authorities, local PRI representatives, school management committee members, leaders, etc. Again, using a mobile interface. When the students return to school,
I think it's better if you talk this way. You're in here. Because when you turn around, the voice gets lost.
oh, we send SMS to the mobile numbers of villagers and PRI members, women self-help group members, sarpanch, ward members, teachers, community leaders, radio volunteers, etc. as available with us. And we also broadcast the recorded and SMS information through these radio episodes. We make live teleconferencing with informer listeners, local school teachers, headmaster, school authority, local PRI representatives, school management committees, members, leaders, etc. Again, using a mobile interface also. when the students returned to the school, we again sent thanks SMS to all of our database mobile numbers so that others know the fact and realize the impact of phone call, SMS, which gave life, or education is life as we believe, to a child. Also, we broadcast it in next radio episodes. So automatically the community members were encouraged that they should do something, and automated process started in that locality, that people were sourcing where is any student out of school. They were informing us, and again they were trying to send back those children to the school, and they were informing us that this is a case study, so broadcast or inform others that they can also send back their students who they are out of school in their locality. In this process, in fact, we cover 4 blocks in the Puri district, that's Gop, Nimapada, Kakatpur and Astarang. But intensively, we were working on 15 schools as a pilot basis. But in impact of such project, we got 165 schools in only Gop block, which the Sarva Shiksha Abhijan government body of education department declared zero dropout. Yet we haven't got information from another 3 blocks. Hopefully, more than 300 schools we got impacted with this process. So it's not just use of a technology, but using the technology for one of the noblest cause, education for all, which is one of the primary minimum development goal. This initiative is unique because through integrated use of and operation of community radio and mobile, we haven't only reached a larger population, but mobilized them to contribute to the cause of education for our children. This project has given life to thousands of children and benefited a society by ensuring a better future with most children being educated. Radio volunteers, community members, community leaders, peer educatives, teachers, headmasters, government officials, school management committee leader and members, Radio Namaskar, all together from all sections of community used mobile for this purpose. In this process, as I told, 165 schools of this locality have been declared zero dropout school by local government. Not only the impact from other 3 blocks not collected, as we are intensively working 1 block. Not only the dropout students, but also this campaign has impacted a lot for new admission of the children of this locality. What is the challenges before us, and what is now task at our hand? Challenges is lack of trained and well-equipped team members, because the community radio, Radio Namaskar, is placed in the interior area. And a coastal area, it's more than 80 kilometers far from state headquarters. So no professionals are interested to work there or stay in a remote villages. Facing difficulties to send huge number of SMS to the listeners. There is also finance cost problem there, and also technological problem there. Lack of support or acceptance from government and administration for this cause, because yet government is no pro-techno. And what stacks at our hand, we assess our source type impact in other coverage blocks to cover all the schools of our coverage area, because now we are focused in 1 block intensively, so other 3 blocks to be covered, to ensure 100% student admission and attendance in our coverage area, to ensure participation of government, corporate and civil society, like-minded civil society in this campaign, because we want to make this campaign more or bigger one. And we also want to make this process, this campaign, sustainable one. We'll explore our experience and expertise with other community radio. We'll take more innovative action for promotion of this campaign. We'll integrate a new option in our web portal of Radio Namaskar to accept SMS as text in homepage in the box format. We'll explore further community mobile technology which will support the process. We'll broadcast the episodes through our community radio and also All India Radio, because some of the areas in our district is also not covered by us, but it's covered by local All India Radio FM, and also promote innovative content for community and mobile. We are also Radio Namaskar also in the part of ICT, we have a website. We are also active in Facebook, Twitter, Orkut, and ida.in, the partnership web portal, content sharing portal of One World South Asia and Ministry of Information Broadcasting. Our work is our message. Thank you. Let us work together. All of your cooperation and helping hand is mostly awaited. Thank you all.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Ansari, and thank you for being within the allotted time. Now I'm going to ask Mr. Sharma, please, to